Hey, I am Capri and this channel is about hula hooping, and this is a tutorial for the trick that you just seen, so the ISO down. Grab your hoop and let's give it a go. The trick might seem quite easy, and yeah, it is in a way, but there is also a quite profound background behind this to understand all the general rule about isolations. So all the tricks in which we change the central spot of the movement from, for example, our hand, like in a hand spin, to the center of the hoop, okay? And the same thing happens here. So the center of the hoop doesn't go anywhere. It is not changing its position. It's constantly in the same position, and only our body is turning, or our hand around our body is doing the, like, drawing the circles, okay? So first of all, this is the central spot of the movement, which you want to maintain all the way going through the trick in the same position, okay? Then, to help yourself train this trick without forcing these hands to elevate the hoop, maybe you want to begin with two hands in the beginning. So lifting your hoop from the height of your hips up above the head and trying to stay in the same, like, vertical corridor without moving the hoop anywhere, without changing its position, okay? So now lift the hoop above your head and try to do few turns with your body so that you can try to maintain, to catch the idea of maintaining the hoop in the same position. Maybe you can also do it here, like start on the height of your hips and just comparing the position of your hoop with the ground. You can, check in if you are maintaining the same central spot of the movement. Whenever you're ready, go above your head and try to go down while turning, staying in this, like, corridor, let's call it, and lift it back up. Not to get too dizzy, you can change the direction of your turn. Okay, and let's go back up. Lifting the hands, gently supporting your hoop without this super tight squeeze and grab of your hoop, okay? Then, when you're ready and you feel comfortable, you want to reach out for a slightly lighter hula hoop, because the heavy, well, I don't know if it would work. You will relieve one hand, stay with one only, and repeat the same motion that we just did. Maybe in the beginning you will need support at some point, or maybe you will go all the way down until your hips, okay? And as you can see, I have grabbed the hoop up here in this position and then switch slowly, slowly, slowly until here, okay? So you want to let your hoop slide in your hand while you're bringing it down, up, changing the position of your hand. Okay, let me give you some additional tips. I am fully aware that sometimes in the beginning it's quite abstract to enter this idea of isolation. Either we mean the vertical ones or the horizontal ones. However, it is possible, and it's only a matter of practice, okay? It's not some magical force or talent or whatever you can call it. It's just a matter of practice. So one thing that can help you in this will be placing another hoop on the ground so that you can compare the position of your hoop while you're turning, okay? And you can check in like this, maintaining the height of your hips or your waist, or even spinning like this and just trying to check. It will also definitely help if you have a mirror, or maybe see yourself in the window, or maybe record a video and check in if the position is correct while you're turning with your body, okay? This is also another way of making the horizontal ISO down and up, just to twist your body a little, maybe step from one leg to another, and then trying little moments with letting go of one hand to go down, 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 down. To go up, I would say it's a huge challenge. If you achieve it, share it in the comments, okay? And yeah, that would be it. So if you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment. Try to catch the idea of changing the central spot of the movement. I wish you good luck in your progress, and remember to leave me some sign of your presence here, maybe a like button, comment, or subscribe to the channel to receive more of these kind of videos.